Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So, Toyko Treat is a monthly subscription. It's amazing. This is the premium box. It's 30, I want to say it's 30 something dollars a month for the top of the line one. I'll add the price over here, so that way you know the exact price of it. But I paid for the 1 year, that way it's fun with the family and everything like that to open it up. It is always themed each month. This comes directly from Japan, from Tokyo, and apparently it is Halloween themed. That's what I thought. As being Halloween themed coming up. Yeah, oh, is it fall? Or is it, oh, it's not Halloween themed. It's fall themed. So maybe the next one's gonna be Halloween themed. Yeah. I thought I saw an email with it, but I guess not. So it has tons of snacks, like a ton. So I guess we'll just get started. They're always different. They're always different crazy flavors. I did it because I want to try a bunch of stuff. I guess we're doing this one first. Okay. This looks barbecue. Yeah, it looks barbecue. Looks barbecue.
Look like? Is it this?
It looks like barbecued flavor. No, that.
Oh.
Japanese barbecue scone share pack.
We always get this share pack like every month.
Yeah, every month it comes with a different share pack, just different flavor, but they all so far seem to taste the same for the most part, right?
It's good.
It's the tear that I don't want to rip it open, so I'll put this over there.
Oh, I think I saw this from like on their Instagram or something.
Maybe. Oh, the Kit Kat? What is that? Looks like onion?
Chestnut.
Oh, chestnut. That might be interesting. So barbecue. Sorry, the wife is basically asking if I fed Kirby, which I did. So, 'cause I'm a good husband. I'm a good cat owner. Oh, that's good.
I like it. It's kind of
sweet. It's good. It's like a honey barbecue almost. Okay, thumbs up on that one. Next one, I'll let you pick.
That's that.
That's the...
Is this one? Yeah. It's the Mont Blanc Shimmy Choco. So it's like a chocolate flavor or something?
Mont Blanc Shimmy Choco? Ooh, saved it. The pup snack is soaked in core with white chocolate mixed with Mont Blanc chestnut flavoring. So it's like a white chocolate with chestnut flavoring?
I got one of these last time. Like this star.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's like a little like... You definitely taste the white chocolate. And you definitely taste the chestnut. It's not bad. It's not like, oh my god. But it's definitely good enough.
Okay.
It's definitely good enough to have another one.
Okay, next one.
We'll put the good over here.
It's called Puffy Sweet Potato Chips. Puffy Sweet Potato Chips. So this is potato chips.
What do they look like?
What?
Oh. They look like... Were they cheesy?
No, it doesn't say cheesy.
Sweet potato chips, using sweet potato and what?
Tanegashima, I think.
Yeah, whatever that is. It's good. So 3 for 3 so far.
No, I don't like it.
Or 4 for 3. Well, you don't like it? I like it, so it goes in the middle. Yeah, we can do that one. Oh, I know those already.
Oh yeah.
So every month it always comes with one of these.
Like umaibo?
Umaibo, yeah.
Now we got like the vegetable salad umaibo.
Veggie salad. Eh. No, I'm just kidding. Still gotta try it. But veggie salad.
I'm just gonna get.
Tastes like tomato. Like, oh. Yeah, I definitely should have thrown that. That is not good. Is it? Am I wrong? It's like almost like a tomato to it.
Mhm.
It's like a tomatoey.
Ew.
Like
Yeah.
I smell the barbecue. It's really smelling them.
Mhm. Tastes good though.
I want to do the Kit Kat. Why
Kit
not?
Kat. So that Kit Kat is chestnut Kit Kat.
Chestnut.
It's so nice.
Who
Like
said a chestnut Kit Kat, right?
It's so nice that like the Japanese, like Japan, has
I don't
like
know,
this
split it in
different
half.
flavors of Kit Kat, right?
Yeah, I know. In the U.S., they don't have that many flavors. It's like
It smells good.
there's only a few, you know, and then it's usually like Halloween. You might have a pumpkin one,
Mhm.
but here it seems like they just have everything.
Isn't that bad?
I don't really. It's more like white chocolate.
Mhm.
It's not really.
Chestnut.
No, it's like it almost tastes like the
Sweet
white
chocolate.
chocolate with like a vanilla wafer.
Mhm.
I don't really taste the nut part. Not bad.
Mhm.
No, it's definitely not bad at all.
Okay, you have pick
Mm,
again. Okay. No, want that? It's Canada Dry.
no, do that last.
Okay.
Mm,
Okay, so that is Bisco sandwich snack.
I think it's so small to be like a snack. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's cute.
It's like a little sandwich with a heart on it.
Uh huh. Oh, it smells like
If
lemon.
it'll show. The camera's not showing. It's like a little heart
Try
on
to
it.
smell it. It smells like
Oh wow,
lemon.
yeah.
Right.
It's like really strong lemon.
Mhm.
Does it say on there what it is?
It's
No.
packed full of lactic acid to help you digest with your food better. Okay.
No, not bad.
Hmm.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like an animal cracker
Mm.
with like a lemon to it.
It smells good. So.
But all I
like it.
smell is lemon.
Mhm.
But I don't really taste the lemon that much. It's more like an animal cracker. Oh yeah, I love that one. Mm.
But that one is juicy gummies. I think we saw it already, like in the Asian stores.
Mhm.
Like Great Wall.
I don't know if the same flavor, but
You like strawberry, I think.
no, but look. It looks like this has 3 flavors. Grape,
Green apple.
green apple, and
No, green grapes, I think, because they look like.
maybe. So
But
it looks
what's
like
the
maybe
red?
3 different types of grapes. Does it say on there?
Mm. Purple grape, green grape, and peach.
Oh, so peach.
I want the purple one.
So I'm getting the
Oh, it looks.
green grape.
It smells good.
Yeah, I know, alright? Oh, that tastes good too. What's the other flavor? I'm gonna try the dark one. It's good. These are gonna be gone.
Yeah, I don't like the green one.
I didn't try. Is this the green one I tried?
You have to put the peach.
You wanna... Yeah, that one.
I don't even know what it tastes like. Because I ate like 2.
I've had 3. It's good. Yeah, that's the
Peach.
That's a peach. Yeah, it's definitely good.
Mm-hmm.
Those are so good. We can just like me and her. We can just sit here and like within a minute these would be completely
You love
gone.
gummies.
And then her mom will like yell at me for letting her have them all.
Okay, next one.
I'll let you pick.
Okay, what's this?
Okay.
That one is apple pie pie nomi. Pie pie nomi.
It looks like an apple pie. Like an actual apple pie, and
It's
it
a
has.
buttery, delicious apple pie. So in this box, remember you use apple pie. I know my mom. Flaky, buttery biscuits filled with apple-flavored custard chocolate. Custard chocolate.
Oh, so it goes like that.
You broke it.
Yeah, it was.
Fine.
It had a tear,
No,
but
it's
I.
right here.
Yeah, I know. I already whatever. I tore it where it
Okay.
doesn't belong, but it's so weird because then it has like a thing over here to seal it.
Right.
So it's just weird how they did it, but
Oh. Is this
yeah.
one?
But it had a tear on the top to take the top off, so it's kind of weird.
Smells good. Smells like
Oh, yeah,
apple. Look.
Yeah, so
But it's not that like.
it has like the the top to it, and it's like looks like a little mini like apple baked thing.
Yeah, it's flaky.
Mmm. You have to bite the whole thing. It has like apple in it. That's good.
Mhm.
It's not very strong apple though.
Right? It's okay.
It's like not, you don't really taste the apple as much. It's not bad though. Mm.
Oh, it's kind of heavy. Alright, that one is sweet potato caramel.
Mm.
Oh, berry.
Hold on 1 second. Battery replaced.
Okay. That one is
Okay.
sweet potato caramel.
And it
looks like a cigarette.
I was about to say that's what it
Right?
looks like, a cigarette pack.
Mhm.
Yeah, and it had like, it's like this weird like.
Yeah, it looks like, oh, what?
Oh, don't tell me.
Is it like haichu or something?
I think no. I think
What?
these are. Does it say chew?
No.
No, these are
Oh,
like the.
right.
Remember the tea? Like the tea that we didn't like?
Like the hard candy?
Yeah, like the hard
It
candy.
doesn't look like a hard candy to me. Looks like a taffy
Oh no,
or
it looks
something.
like a taffy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a caramel chew.
Mhm.
Yeah. It's like a normal caramel chew. I don't know what's so special about it. It's good. I like caramel.
Okay.
So do you say caramel or caramel? How do you pronounce caramel? Like car-amel or the other way? Car or care? Everyone says it differently. As EC apparently doesn't like it and is spitting it out.
No, I like it, but I want to go over this one.
This one?
Mhm.
What is this one?
It's a yakisoba taro snack. It looks like fried noodle.
It looks like a pig flicking you off. What, really? Well, it's on both sides. It looks like a pig flicking you off.
It doesn't want to focus. Why?
I don't know.
But yeah,
Oh well.
just listen to us. It looks like it. Okay. It looks like fried what? Fried noodles.
Smell it?
Mm.
I'm almost done with the caramel.
Yeah. It's like a dried noodle.
So it's just like a little dried noodle snack.
Mhm. Taste it. Right. Okay.
I don't know if it's just because I had the caramel. No, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's like a kind of like, I don't
This
know.
pattern looks cute. This one. Okay, next one is this. That one is
It looks like one cookie.
King's Crown chocolate cookie. Yeah.
I don't know. I apologize. The camera for some reason isn't like really focusing that well. Not sure why. But I guess I'm tearing this because, well, it looks like I'm trying to tear this. What the?
It's so cool.
I'm sorry for the noise in the background. That's my Rottweiler Pepper eating.
And also,
If you wanna, I don't know, like break it.
Bite.
It's got like two. It's like a swirl.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's dry.
Mhm. I still pick Chips Ahoy in that one.
Yeah, definitely. It's really, really dry. It's like a vanilla chocolate swirl, but nah. No, try this.
That one is Disney Chum Chum Bite-Sized Choco.
I don't know
Is
why.
it Chum Chum or Chum Chum? I don't know. Chum 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 Chum. I don't know. It's TSUM.
I don't-
Chum
I'm
Chum.
trying to drink with the cap on.
I should open it now. Open it. It looks like Oh, look, Goofy. Isn't it Goofy?
Yeah, that looks like Goofy, kind of.
Yeah. Ah!
Ah!
What is it? Oh.
Oh,
That
yeah.
looks like the chipmunk.
Yeah, it
Oh,
does look
the
like a
squirrel.
chipmunk.
The squirrel and
See, that one looks like a little Goofy
that's
as well.
Pluto.
Is that Pluto?
The dog.
And then Eeyore.
From Winnie the Pooh?
Yeah, and then Dumbo.
And Piglet.
Piglet.
Okay, go grab that one.
Goofy's mine, so.
It has a lot of collections of Goofy.
Yeah, I have a lot of Goofy, and Natalie's a ton of Hello Kitty. Oh.
They're good.
It's good. There's chocolate in the middle of it. Wasn't expecting that. Alright,
Next one.
well,
No, this one.
that's last. So, I'm gonna wash it down with some Canada Dry.
Ginger. Dry peach. Canada dry peach. Ginger. I don't know how to say that. Just
Wow, that scared me. From Coca-Cola,
Is it?
but but Canada Dry. That's good. I bet Natalie will like this.
It's like carbonated soda.
Yeah, it's like a carbonated peach.
I don't like that.
So Canada Dry is good for like upset stomach and that. So that's perfect. So then the last thing we have, I'm gonna drink that instead of this water, is every one of them comes with a DIY kit, which this one is
The ice cream.
so
You have to
soft
make ice cream.
ice cream DIY.
Kit.
So that's what that comes with, and so that's everything that this month came with. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe over here.
Down.
Yeah, and then it's always in the corner. And then check out that video, whatever YouTube recommends. And thank you for watching. Bye.